All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so with the news reaching us, Sunday Igboho live in Iwere. Yeah, so a lot of people be like, in Iwere, Nigeria. Okay, well, this is another strong one. As you can see on your screen right now, this man is a representative of Chief Sunday Igboho, and right now they are in Iwere, and a lot of people have actually reacted. Igboho ni sọ̀rọ̀ kó má mọ̀. Yeah, so before now, a 7 days ultimatum was given by Chief Sunday Igboho for all the Fulanis not disturbing the people of Iwerele to pack their load and go or else. And then we have gotten a lot of reactions where this set of Fulanis had to actually leave because they have known and they know definitely if Sunday Igboho will come for them. All right, and then with what is reaching us right now, this set of people representing Chief Sunday Igboho have now made it upon themselves, yes, to comb all the forest, as you can see, and then the people have been warned. Talking about the Fulani people have been warned to stay clear of Iwerele and the environs. Yes, enough is enough. Chief Sunday Igboho made this happen. He said it, and then he's actually working on it. This is exactly what we are talking about. Yes, a lot of people have raised a lot of congratulatory messages to all the Yoruba people, most especially Iwerele and the environs, that this is a very good one. Yeah, so before now, the Fulanis have tried their best. In fact, they have done a lot of things to tackle the Yoruba people, disturbing them from going to their farmlands, killing a lot of people, raping and all that. And the Chief Sunday Igboho, who had actually given 7 days ultimatum before now to the Seriki Fulani of Igagam. So they already know what Chief Sunday Igboho can do. Right now, this is a stage whereby every Yoruba person must come and then do the needful, because hey, it is no longer funny if you are saying, oh, this thing, if you are saying, oh, this thing is not it's not serious, it's not serious, we should hold on, we should hold on. How long are we going to hold on? That's exactly what we are talking about. How long? Because with the way the hardship is right now, I think it is to wake up. Everybody needs to do the needful. Yeah, so this is not the time for us to say we want to keep holding on. How long are we going to hold on? And exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, so this set of people representing Chief Sunday Igboho are now set to comb the forest. I think Yoruba land in no time will be a free space. Yes, if the federal government has done its own part, I am very sure with what is going on right now will not be happening. Well, the truth of the matter is, they have said it times without number. The people need to wake up on their own and help themselves. Yeah, so even help those who help themselves, and exactly what is going on right now. You need to come out and speak out and help yourself. With what is happening right now, this set of people have made it clear. No sleeping. Chief Sunday Igboho will not say a thing and will not fulfill it. And exactly what we are getting right now. Meanwhile, for every traitor out there, wherever you are, if you like, continue to say, I beg you, who be all these ones? Continue to say, nah lie, nah lie. But one thing we want you to understand for sure is that when God says yes, nobody can say no. Yes, enough is enough. Enough of the way the people have been maltreated. Enough of the way the Yoruba people have been mistreated, and enough of the killings of Yoruba people in their own land. No, this must not continue. That is why Chief Sunday Igboho had given that 7 days ultimatum, and you dare not respect that ultimatum. That's exactly what we are talking about. You dare not respect that, and then exactly what we are actually talking about. Now, everybody is praising Chief Sunday Igboho because he is doing a great job. Yeah, so he is doing the needful right now. Let everybody understand that Chief Sunday Igboho is not just an ordinary person. Let everybody understand, right, that Chief Sunday Igboho is not just an ordinary man. Yes, so and then no, a lot of people are not asking the question, but they made us understand that the Fulani people actually attacked majority of fortified people in that land. Yeah, so who are this set of people? This is where you understand that when Chief Sunday Igboho says yes, my brother, my sister, is always on point. And right now, in case you don't know, hmm, this is a representative of Chief Sunday Igboho. Somebody was like, "Oh, my, this man actually looks like Chief Sunday Igboho, Abi. Don't you understand? Even look at his costume. Everything is on point." Yes, exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, so somebody is now asking that. So it is true that they said we have thousands of Igboho in Yoruba land. This one is so serious. A lot of people are now like, okay, so meaning we still have men in the land. Well, my brother, my sister, this is a great deal. And then I think everybody out there needs to understand that there is God in this movement. Yeah, so either you like it or not, there is God in this movement. And then our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to uphold these ones. Our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to direct their path. Our prayer is that the enemy will not have any cause to bring these ones down. Yes, either the enemy like it or not, they will not have any ones down because they are working for God, because they are actually working to make sure peace reign in Yoruba land. For everyone out there is trying to bring them down, God will continue to disappoint such a person. Because with the hardship in the country right now, it's not something that we should just relax, relent, and say it will be better. How long will that be? You can imagine the number of innocent souls that had been killed in Yoruba land. We can imagine the number of innocent souls that had been attacked in the country. So how long are we going to relax and say, oh, it will be better? That is why everybody needs to wake up and then cooperate. And then right now, the people have seen it all, that the only way is for us to cooperate and do the needful. Yeah, so and then right now, I think either you like it or not, you must definitely stand out. Either you like it or not, you must wake up from your slumber. Either you like it or not, we must all come together in one voice. Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation, no going back. Yoruba nation is the voice of the people. Yeah, so right now, I think going our separate ways will be the best option. Yeah, Chief Sunday Igboho will not say it and then not do it. Yes, the 7 days ultimatum that Chief Sunday Igboho gave, okay, has elapsed, and then right now, as you can see, the representatives are now combing the forest. Yeah, so our land must be free. Henceforth, we should be able to sleep with our two eyes closed. Yeah, so and exactly what it is. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us right now. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation. No going back. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one hand. Remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.